Ladies and gentlemen, Delta Airlines proudly welcomes you to Boston, Massachusetts, when the local time is 9:25. Please remain seated till the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, has given us a two-bell signal indicating safe to move about the cabin. For safety reasons, please use extreme caution when removing articles from your overhead compartments, as articles may have drifted during flight. If you have any questions concerning ground transportation, baggage, or connections, there will be a Delta representative in this aircraft to further assist you. At this time, you may now use your electronic devices, however, laptops need to remain stowed. On behalf of all the employees of Delta Airlines, it certainly has been our pleasure serving you. We certainly hope if your future travel plans call on, you'll think of the Delta Airlines network and our global partners. And on behalf of your Atlanta-based flight crew and your Boston flight crew, it certainly has been our pleasure serving you. We certainly hope you have a pleasant evening and a safe journey to your final destination. Once again, as a reminder, please remain seated until the captain has given us a two-bell signal and has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Many thanks, and have a pleasant evening.